Good day. I am Barrister Mrs. Ijeoma Maxerila Nozie. I'm the principal partner at ICNC Legal Practitioners, which is a leading law firm based in Lagos, Nigeria. And this is the ICNC Law Lecture Series. Today we'll be discussing a topic on the intellectual property law. We'll be talking about trademark registration and how it affects your business in Nigeria. A trademark refers to a logo, a design, a word, a phrase, a combination of words, or a sign generally which distinguishes your business or your brand from that of another person. And so upon registration of your trademark, it gives you the right to sue and claim damages against any other person who uses that same mark or a mark similar to yours. Trademark in Nigeria is to be registered with the Federal Ministry of Industry, Trade and Investment in Abuja, and only accredited agents such as a legal practitioner can register your trademark for you. Also, upon registration of your trademark, the initial registration affords you protection of that mark for a period of 7 years, and so after 7 years the registration or the protection is said to have expired, and you would be expected to do a renewal of the registration. The renewal must be done within 3 months from the date of expiration of the already registered mark, and the renewal will then give you a period of 14 years. So when you renew your trademark, you're renewing for a period of 14 years. So now we move to the procedure for registering the trademark. To register your trademark, there are actually 3 stages. Your lawyer would require from you a soft copy of the logo or the design or the mark or the phrase or the word like we have described before. And it is necessary for you to know that if you're giving the mark in a colored form, then the mark is only protected in that particular color. But if you're registering your trademark in black and white, then it affords you protection for all types of colors. There are 3 stages to registration of trademarks in Nigeria. The first stage is the search. So your lawyer is supposed to submit the application for the trademark registration along with the soft copy of the logo, like I've said before, which you have given to the lawyer for a search at the ministry. The ministry is expected to do a search and would give you a feedback on whether the mark contradicts with any existing trademark or logo that has been registered prior to that time. If there is any existing trademark that has been registered that is similar to the one that you are applying for, then the application will be denied. But if there is none that is similar, the application will be approved and you can then proceed to the second stage. At the second stage is the publication stage. At this stage, the mark is advertised in a journal which is published by the ministry, and anybody who has any trademark that is similar to the ones that have been published in the journal is expected to raise an objection within 2 months of the publication. So you're expected to submit an objection to the registrar of trademarks at the ministry, notifying him that this particular mark is similar to yours. Upon notifying the ministry, the registrar, would then inform the applicant who wants to register that particular mark, telling him that someone else has raised an objection and affording him the right to present a sort of a defense or an explanation as to why he should be allowed to still register that mark. So that defense or explanation is supposed to come within 1 month from receiving a notice from the registrar. If a defense or an explanation is not given within 1 month, it would be deemed that that registration has been abandoned by the person who sought to register it in the first place. The third and final stage to the registration of your trademark in Nigeria is the certificate stage. So after the journal has been published and presumably there's no objection, you then do an application for a certificate and the certificate will be issued to you. And it is necessary for you to know that without getting that certificate, your registration is not actually complete. because a lot of people tend to stop at the acceptance stage. They do not go further onto the certificate stage. But without getting to the certificate stage, the registration is not actually complete. And that is basic information about how to register your trademark and how it protects your business here in Nigeria.